Hello, welcome to my capstone research proposal. My name is Anna Hood, and I'm pursuing a master's in environmental GIS. The title of my project is Foundational Database for Pacific Harbor Seals in the California Population Status. Some background information about the California harbor seal. The population stock is managed by NOAA as required under the Marine Mammal Protection Act. They are an intermediate predator in the nearshore community. They eat fish, shellfish, and crustaceans. They are also preyed upon by sharks, toothed whales, and occasionally terrestrial predators. They utilize haul-out habitat for resting, pupping, nursing, and avoiding predators. The problem that they are currently facing is that climate change is negatively impacting predator populations. By reducing prey availability, reproduction, success, habitat availability, increasing predation, and increasing human conflict. And management agencies lack current population status information and data. My hypothesis is that harbor seal populations are shifting northward due to anthropogenically induced climate change symptoms, such as rising sea level. My project to address this is a research project that will compile and update contemporary knowledge on California Pacific harbor seals for subsequent management decisions. The thesis for this project is a foundational database of California harbor seal population and habitat trends that will provide insight for management actions for mitigation of or as a result of climate change and rising sea levels. This will be achieved by organizing a historical and regionally specific data on harbor seal haulouts on the California coast. I will also generate maps regarding time series of population changes and habitat requirements over the last 30 years. And finally, I will produce a foundational reference for future monitoring for harbor seals. The professional partner I'll be collaborating with is Dr. Moore from the California Current Marine Mammal Assessment Program, of which he is the lead. Their mission is to conduct research and provide advice to policymakers on marine mammals, which is specifically achieved via the assessment program by providing information on current stock status. NOAA and CMAP operate under the Marine Mammal Protection Act and Endangered Species Act, and their jurisdiction is all along the U.S. West Coast marine waters. We'll also be collaborating with the California Harbor Seal Working Group, which includes regional environmental groups such as National Park Service, Point Blue Conservation Science, and California Academy of the Sciences. Just to name a few, there's also a number of community science groups involved in this work. My expected results are GIS map layers, including colony locations, colony sizes, a weighted suitable habitat raster, such as this image here, and a sea level rise applied suitable habitat raster, as well as predicted changes in haul-out habitat. So just seen here, this is sea level rise under various scenarios outlined by the IPCC. I will also provide a number of charts similar to the one here, on harbor seal, haul-out, and colony population changes. This one shows various regions across California. I'll also include something similar to this, which is a percentage of haul-out or colonies impacted by sea level rise. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I look forward to any feedback that you can provide me.